Hello everyone. Okay, drawing the shape. Today I want to share you about drawing the shape in the PowerPoint. Okay, drawing the shape and change color. Okay, format shape, fill, transparency, and okay, send to back, send to in front. Sorry. Okay, drawing the small shape of yes, yeah, in front to save and copy and prepare the save. And select all the set. Okay, and delete. Okay, select no fill and no fill, no outline, and merge, and okay, drawing the shape, over shape, or delete and over shape. Okay, and zoom. Okay, send to back and change color. Okay, we change color or white color. Okay. And outlines white. Okay, no outlines and white color and zoom and copy the shape and send to base and group the shape. Okay, and draw the shape, drawing the shape and okay, and no outlines, white color and copies and zoom and white color and prepare the shape and shadow. Okay, and yeah, click and shadow. Okay, and group and copy and reset and add the text. Okay, add the text and write name. Okay, it's option 2 copy, option 1 and option 3, and add the text. Okay, copy the shape, copy the text and okay, and take 1 and take 2 and add icons. Yes, click and click the 3 people icons and click the mine icons and change color icons and change color icons and show. Thank you for watching.